So I think for us, we just noticed on our bar first, because we make drinks over there and there's lime juice and just a lot of chaos over there. So that's a black countertop. So we started noticing some marks on that. It was a pretty big difference. So that's where it started. And then we started noticing it in our kitchen island where we would cook. There's a lot of ring marks. So pretty much like any angle you could look at it, like there was marks all over the entire counter. So we reached out to Marble Shine and they were gracious enough to work with us to remedy those issues.
Yeah, really, it just bothered both of us. Our counters were getting really messed up. Anytime there was a water mark or a ring from a cup, it would leave a mark, and you really just couldn't get it off. And that happened to all of our counters. And we reached out to a few different companies, and Marble Shine just did a great job coming out, checking everything out, and I feel like they had a great plan. And that was the biggest thing, was we didn't want to have to redo this in a year or two. And with just their process, we felt like this would be a one-time fix and it would last a long time. And I think that was the biggest thing for us. And they've just been so great, you know, coming out to the house and working hard for a couple days and really finished it a lot faster than we thought they would.
Yeah, yeah, we love it. We're super excited to have them shiny again, fresh. We can cook on it soon. Yep. It's nice having people come over and it doesn't look kind of like messy, like it looks clean now.
Yeah, we just felt like with the MORE Anti-Etch sample they showed us, and they would show lemon juice on it and how nothing would leave a mark, and you know, other companies had just talked about resurfacing it, and they said pretty much though it's going to happen again at some point, so we were going to have people come back out. And we just found with the anti-etch that was the best solution, and something where it could be a one-time fix, and really they've just done a great job.